Assalamu alaikum. I am Nimra, your mathematics guide. Welcome to my channel. And our today's topic is quadratic equations. Before starting my lecture, I want to know you about linear equations. Linear equations are first degree equations. Its general form is ax plus b, where a and b are constant and x is variable. And you can see that x has power 1, means it has degree 1. So these equations are linear equations. Now have a look on example. Example 1 is 2x plus 1 is equal to 0, where x is variable and 2 and 1 are constant. And x has power 1, so it is of degree 1, means it is a linear equation. Now have a look on second example. Second example is 5y minus 100 is equal to 0. Here variable is y and 5 and 100 are constants. But y has power 1 means this equation is also having degree 1. So it is also a linear equation. Graphically we represent it by a straight slanting line without any curve. Now we will move to our main topic, that is quadratic equations. And what are quadratic equations? Quadratic equations are second degree equations. As we discussed that linear equations are first degree equations, now we will discuss quadratic equations that are having degree 2. Its general form is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a, b, c are constants and x is variable. As you can see that highest power is 2, so it has degree 2 and is known as quadratic equations, and it is also known as its standard form. Now have a look on examples. Example 1 is 2x square plus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0, where 2, 5, 6 are constants and variable is x, and highest power of variable is 2. So it is of second degree equation, that is quadratic equation, and it is always in one variable. Now have a look on example number 2, that is 3x square plus 4x is equal to 5. It is quadratic equation because it has degree 2, but it is not in standard form because constant is on right side, and we have discussed its general form as ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. It is also known as a standard form. So if we have to change it in standard form, we will take constant on left hand side, and in this way it is changed into standard form, that is 3x square plus 4x minus 5 is equal to 0, same as ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Now in quadratic equation, if I put a is equal to 0, means I take coefficient of x square as 0, it becomes linear equation. As you can see, if I put a is equal to 0, it becomes bx plus c, that is first degree equation known as linear equation. If in quadratic equation I take b is equal to 0, mean coefficient of x as 0, it becomes ax square plus c. It is known as pure quadratic equation, in which coefficient of x is 0. For example, 2x plus 5. Here you can see there is no variable x with any coefficient. Now we will solve some exercise questions related to quadratic equations in standard form and pure quadratic equations. Here you have to convert quadratic equation in standard form, and you have to find out that whether it is pure quadratic equation or simple quadratic equation. In this question, firstly you have to take the LCM. LCM is x plus 1, and you have to multiply it on both sides. When you will multiply it with first expression, that is x divided by x plus 1 will cancel. In second expression, x will be cancelled, and on other side 6 will multiply with x plus 1. Remaining terms will be multiplied. X will multiply with x, it becomes x square. X plus 1 will multiply with x plus 1, it becomes x plus 1 whole square. In next step, you have to just open up expression x plus 1 square according to formula x square plus 2x plus 1. Formula is given as a square plus 2ab plus b square, as you all know. And on other side, you will multiply 6x with x, it becomes 6x squared. Then with 1, it becomes plus 6x. In next step, you will just add coefficients having same variables. Now you will just equate equation by taking all terms on right hand side. Equations become 4x squared plus 4x minus 1 is equal to 0. As you can see, it is similar to quadratic equation, that is ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So it is not pure quadratic equation, it is simple quadratic equation. Now we will solve question number 2. Same method will be adopted. We will firstly take LCM, that is x plus 4. We will multiply it with all expressions. In first step, with first expression, x plus 4 will be cancelled. In next expression, x will be cancelled. And on other side, 1 will be multiplied with whole expression x plus 4. It becomes simple x plus 4. In next step, remaining terms will be multiplied. X will multiply with x plus 3. Here x minus 5 will multiply with x plus 4. It becomes x squared plus 3x. Then you can easily multiply x minus 5 with x plus 4. Use this formula, that is x squared plus a plus b x plus ab. Means firstly you have to add the coefficient, then multiply it with variable x, then you have to multiply both constants. Like I solved it, minus 5 plus 4, it becomes minus 1, multiplied with x, it becomes minus x, then minus 5 will multiply with 4, it becomes minus 20. So whole expression will become x square minus x minus 20, and that side x will multiply with x plus 4, it becomes x square plus 4x. In next step, x square plus 3x will remain as it is. Then you will multiply minus with whole expression, it becomes minus x square plus x plus 20. Another side's same terms will remain. Now you can see x square will cancel with minus x square, 3x will add with x, it becomes 4x, and 20 will remain same. Now you can easily equate equation by taking all the terms on other side. 4x will cancelled with minus 4x, it becomes x square minus 20 is equal to 0. Here coefficient of x is 0, so it is pure quadratic equation. Means it is in form of ax square plus c, so it is pure quadratic equation, not simple quadratic equation. If we have to find out the value of variables, then we should solve these equations, quadratic equations. So for solution of quadratic equations, two methods are adopted, that is factorization method and completing square method. We will further discuss in our next lecture, inshallah. So I hope you have understood my all points. Your concept has been cleared. For further queries, you can contact on my Insta account, or you can comment down below. So that's all from my side. Allah Hafiz. Take care of yourself.